Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of a very rare disease known as pure red cell aplasia. Now what is this? This is a rare blood disorder which happens when the bone marrow does not produce sufficient number of red blood cells or RBCs. Now this causes anemia, and anemia can cause reduced oxygen going to the tissues. Now, what are the symptoms of the disease? These include fatigue, breathlessness, dizziness, pale skin, headaches, tinnitus, and angina. Now, what is the cause for this? Now, there are different causes for this. These include inherited causes. One type of this anemia is known as diamond black fan anemia, which is inherited from childhood, and the child doesn't produce sufficient number of red blood cells. Now there are other causes also. These include autoimmune disorders like SLE, rheumatoid arthritis, IBS, etc. And blood cancer, lymphocytic leukemia, and other types of leukemias. These are linked to this disease. Cancerous tumors like thymic carcinoma can be responsible for this. And there is a specific type of viral infection which is known as parvovirus B19, which may cause this infection. Of course, other viruses may also be associated with this. Bacterial infections can cause this, medications can cause this, and in pregnancy, some people may develop this disease temporarily. Now, what are the risk factors? Usually inherited genetic mutation and viral and bacterial infections. Now, this is commonly diagnosed using the routine blood tests like CBC, peripheral blood smear, and a virus test. So what is the treatment for this? Now the treatment varies according to the known cause. Immunosuppressants are given, blood transfusion is given, surgery is there to remove tumors, and stem cell transplant may be required in some cases. Immunoglobulin therapy also may be required if there is virus infection. Now all these treatments are not very effective or not very safe. There can be a lot of side effects. So what is the Ayurvedic treatment for this? Now again, Ayurvedic treatment depends upon treating the known cause for the condition. So if there is some infection, you need to treat the infection. So that depends upon the type of infection. There are very good herbal medicines which treat viral infections and bacterial infections also, provided they are chronic infections. And along with that, if there is a known tumor, that tumor has to be treated. Now, if the cause is serious and it requires a bone marrow transplant. Now, in Ayurveda, there is a unique therapy known as Basti Chikitsa or medicated enema treatment. In this, there is a special type of treatment known as Majja Basti, which uses bone marrow. So, this can work like a crude bone marrow transplant. So, combination of oral medications and Basti Chikitsa courses of these can be given to treat the condition. Along with that, of course, whatever medications are given, these are given to stimulate the bone marrow to produce more RBCs, and also medicines which act on the blood tissue so as to improve the RBC count. So specific treatment, symptomatic treatment, as well as some more complex therapies, all combinations need to be given. But all in all, most patients with this condition can do very well with Ayurvedic herbal treatment. So this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for pure red cell aplasia. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.